guys, welcome to MyGlamm. Monsoon is just around the corner and I thought why not I give you few tips to make your makeup monsoon proof. So sit back, follow along and let's get the glam on. So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Do try out these tips and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, do let us know what other looks you guys would want us to create. Do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to MyGlamm. Bye!